It's time to take the car to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Congratulations! It's time to take the car to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! Uh-oh, something's broken. Drag the skater to check it out. Super! We need to take parts off the bucket wheel excavator. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Excellent. Magnificent. Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Yay! It worked! Cracks and dents, we have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. That's it! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Keep going. Awesome! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. There's something wrong with the wires. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Perfect. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super. That's great. Let's install the new parts in the engine. You're so smart. Magnificent. Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. You solved the problem. The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. You're so smart. That's it. Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Excellent. That's great. Put the picture up. Keep going. Press it. Hexagon. Square. Arrow. Magnificent. Connect the pump to the wheel. That's great. Let's pump the wheel. Keep going. Great job. Something is dripping here. Looks like we need to cut these chains to open them. Pick up all the junk with pliers. You're so smart. Perfect. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. You're so smart. All done. Now help to assemble dump truck. Keep up the great work.